What's up, y'all? It's CP, and so I actually planned for some turkey left over to make a turkey paksiw, and I thought I was gonna have hella, but because the turkey turned out so good, I don't actually have that much, but there is a little bit enough to make a little bit of the paksiw, so I'm gonna do that now with some of the leftovers. Hopefully there's enough. Last year I think I made like a sopas, so it was like a noodle soup with the turkey, and it was really good. I wanted to try something a little different this year, so.
First, you're gonna gather all of your meat from your turkey, all pieces from underneath, the sides. You wanna just rip that and add it to your bowls. Then you're gonna heat up your pot and add some cooking oil. This is about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. You could just use regular cooking oil, that's fine too. You're gonna add 1 yellow onion, so like the smaller onion, so it's a little bit more sweet, and chop that up. And you're gonna cook that with some garlic. So this is about 2 cloves of garlic, about 1 tablespoon. Then you're gonna cook that until the onion is translucent. Next, you're gonna add in all of your turkey. So this is about 2 cups of turkey that's already been cooked. It's really seasoned from when I made the turkey already. So am I not actually adding much seasoning to this particular dish, but if you need to add some additional taste and flavors, you could always add peppercorn, soy sauce, and bay leaf, and it'll really enhance the flavor. Next, I'm gonna add about 2 generous tablespoons of datu puti vinegar. Put it on the lid, let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Next, I'm gonna add some Mang Tomas. So this is otherwise known as Lechon sauce, the good old Mang Tomas. And what I'm going to do is about 3/4 cup of Mang Tomas. I'm starting off slowly first just to make sure I don't overdo it. And of course this could be adjusted just depending on how much turkey you have left over. Slowly add additional vinegar and Mang Tomas to your dish as needed, so you'll just taste it along the way. Then you're gonna give it a nice mix until everything is evenly coated. Next, I'm just gonna add just a little bit more pepper, just to give it another little kick. And let this sit and simmer for another 10 minutes.
And voila! Turkey, but make it Filipino. Super easy, super basic way. There's other ways to do this. You could add like peppercorns and bay leaves. I didn't have any of that, so it's just super simple. Just needed a couple extra ingredients. Turkey, but make it Filipino. See y'all.